There is something timeless, grounding, and spiritually calming about natural rustic woodwork. In a world filled with polished surfaces, factory-perfect edges, and mass-produced decor, raw wood stands out not because it is flawless, but because it carries its history on its surface. Every knot tells a story, every crack carries a whisper of time, and every grain pattern feels like nature's handwriting. When people bring rustic wood into their homes, they are not simply adding decoration, they are inviting warmth, authenticity, and character that cannot be faked or industrially replicated. And this emotional connection is exactly what makes natural rustic woodwork one of the most profitable forms of craft today. Buyers are constantly seeking pieces that feel handmade, personal, and real. They crave the charm of imperfections and the luxury of organic simplicity, and they are always willing to pay more for items that preserve the raw beauty of nature. This narration explores how pure raw wood and natural grain designs can become a powerful foundation for a steady-earning craft business. Whether you are working with reclaimed lumber, fallen branches, aged beams, or fresh slabs, rustic wood opens countless opportunities. It lets you turn the simplest material into high-value decor, practical furniture, art pieces, and warm home accents that sell year-round. And with each creation, you are not just offering a physical item, you are presenting a feeling, a connection, a piece of nature captured in functional form. That emotional value translates into financial value, giving you both artistic satisfaction and dependable income. Today, we go deep into the world of rustic designs that honor natural textures and grains, celebrating everything that makes raw wood beautiful. You will see how this style transforms ordinary materials into premium, sellable treasures, helping you build a craft collection that stands out, attracts consistent customers, and earns a reliable profit in any season. This is the power of natural rustic woodwork, a journey where nature leads the design, and your craftsmanship brings it to life. Rustic woodwork is one of the few craft styles where nature does most of the work for you. Instead of covering the wood with heavy stains or altering its shape, rustic design invites you to highlight what is already there. Cracks become features, knots become decorative centers, dark and light patterns form natural artwork, and irregular edges become desirable attributes. These qualities create a visual charm that mass-produced items simply cannot imitate, making rustic creations feel rare and meaningful. Because each piece of wood is unique, every finished craft becomes one of a kind, and customers love the idea of owning something nobody else has. This uniqueness alone increases the selling value significantly and creates greater demand among buyers looking for natural, earthy decor. Working with raw wood also gives you creative freedom. You can craft small pieces like coasters, candle stands, key holders, and wall hooks, or you can build larger items such as shelves, stools, benches, rustic frames, and live-edge tables. The beauty of rustic design is that it works seamlessly in modern, traditional, farmhouse, industrial, and minimalist homes. Its warm organic presence softens the coldness of metal, glass, and concrete, making every room feel more welcoming. This universal compatibility ensures that rustic wood remains a top-selling style throughout the year. Even simple slabs with minimal shaping can turn into high-value products because buyers appreciate authenticity over heavy processing. Another powerful advantage of rustic woodwork is cost efficiency. Many of the best rustic pieces are made from materials that are affordable or even free. Driftwood, reclaimed boards, old beams, broken furniture parts, or leftover lumber from construction sites can all be transformed into striking decor. What others consider waste becomes your creative gold. This means high profit margins and minimal expenses, making rustic crafting one of the most financially stable niches in the woodcraft world. A single reclaimed board can become multiple sellable pieces, each with its own charm, allowing you to maximize both creativity and income. The natural grain patterns are truly the heart of rustic style. Instead of hiding them, you bring them forward by sanding lightly, applying oil finishes, or brushing to enhance texture. Each piece becomes a celebration of nature's artwork, offering waves, swirls, and growth lines that mesmerize the eye. Customers love pieces where the story of the tree remains visible. When they touch the surface and feel the grain beneath their fingers, it creates a sensory connection, one that increases the emotional value and makes them more willing to buy. Rustic woodwork is not just visual decor, it is an experience. Rustic pieces also hold cultural and emotional appeal. Many people associate natural wood with simplicity, rural life, family traditions, or childhood memories of cottages and countryside homes. This emotional connection influences purchasing decisions more strongly than any marketing technique. When your work can evoke nostalgia, comfort, or a sense of peaceful retreat, buyers feel a deeper attachment. This psychological element is one of the major reasons rustic wood commands premium prices even with minimal processing. In today's world, sustainability plays a huge role in customer preferences. More people want eco-friendly decor that reuses materials instead of contributing to waste. Rustic woodwork, especially when made from reclaimed or naturally fallen wood, fits perfectly into this mindset. You can proudly present your items as sustainable, nature-respecting creations, and this gives customers another strong reason to buy from you. Eco-conscious consumers often pay more for rustic pieces because they appreciate the environmental value as much as the aesthetic. You can expand rustic designs into countless directions depending on your creativity. A simple live-edge shelf with visible grain becomes luxurious when paired with black brackets. A chunky rustic stool carved from a single log becomes functional art. A rawwood centerpiece with uneven edges becomes a statement piece on any dining table. Rustic candle stands with bark still attached sell extremely well, especially around holidays. Even small wooden ornaments carved from branch slices carry charm that customers instantly love. Every shape, every leftover piece, every unusual texture becomes an opportunity to create something beautiful and profitable. Because rustic woodwork celebrates imperfections, the pressure for perfect symmetry disappears. This reduces production time and lets you create more items quickly without compromising quality. Rustic woodwork reminds us that nature is the world's greatest designer, and your hands are simply there to reveal what is already beautiful. When you honor the raw grain, preserve the natural lines, and let the wood speak for itself, you create pieces that buyers instantly connect with and willingly pay more for. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.